Hello everybody, welcome to EPROM this evening. I am Daedrian. Yesterday, the world celebrated the 78th birthday of the king of reggae, Bob Marley. At home, celebrations rang out for the entire day at the Bob Marley Museum with tours, special activities and performances. Later in the evening, the Ministry of Culture hosted a musical tribute featuring Capleton, Etana, George Nooks, Max Romeo, with the Marleys of course, Julian, Stephen and Damien, plus many others.
Emancipation Park. Put the things right on. Can't give me that. I don't wanna be left out. Zion Gate. I don't wanna be shut out. Zion Gate.
These are the words of my master. Keep on telling me.
All I ever had. Redemption song. Redemption song. What about your woman? What about let's get together?
Bob Marley posthumous 1984 album Legend, the best of Bob Marley and the Wailers, spent 160 weeks of the 161 at number 1 on the Reggae album chart. It has sold over 12 million units in the US, with an estimated 25 million copies sold globally. Now the numbers are for Popcorn's latest album, Great Is He. The project peaked at number 3 on the Billboard Reggae album chart and sees first week sales a little over 300 units in the US. US stats overall stands at 3,900 units, which includes sales from pre-released singles. Popcorn's Great Is He failed to outshine previous first week album releases like Fix Tape, Where We Come From, Forever and Vanquish, which all peaked at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae albums chart. Now, US pop star Chris Brown has found himself apologizing once again. The artist received public backlash for his comments around his loss of the Grammy for Best R&B Album category to pianist Robert Glasper. On Sunday, Brown threw a tantrum online where he hurled insults at Glasper through a number of IG stories on his page. On Monday, Brown shared with his fans through the same medium his private apologies to Glasper. Now, in the message, Brown told Glasper that, quote, "He was not the intended target," adding that, "I actually think you're amazing. The organization isn't doing us blacks or due diligence. You and I should never be in the same category," end quote. He ended with, quote, "So from one black man to another, congratulations. Hope you're able to feed your family for life," end quote. Glasper took the category against Brown with Breezy Deluxe, Mary J. Blige, Good Morning Gorgeous, JP Morgan's Watch the Sun, and Lucky Day with his 2022 album Black Radio 3. That's it for EPROM this evening. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching.